Welcome to the Hardcat Core 99 series. In this episode, we're going to have a look at the Hardcat Alerts feature. You can access the Hardcat Alerts feature by going to the Hardcat Alerts icon, or alternatively, you can go to the list menu and selecting Alerts. Now we have our list of alerts available to us. To change our different areas that we can apply alerts to, it's as simple as clicking on the area drop-down. The areas that you can create alerts against is based around your Hardcat user license. If you don't have access to the depreciation, help desk, maintenance, purchasing, or stock modules, you will not then have access to create alerts against those modules. Today, we're going to look at how to create a new maintenance work order based alert. To do that, we first of all change our area to work orders. To create a new alert, we can click on New. Now we have the new alert available to us. We can go through and configure the alert with the appropriate details as specified by the alert settings. The alert we want to create today is to specify to an engineer that a new work order has been generated. To do this, we first of all have to give it a description. The description is shown in your list of alerts describing what the purpose of this alert is. The next area is the email subject. This will be the email subject line that is presented to the user in the preferred email client. From here, we can also include something to go into the email body. The email body can be populated by one of two ways, or both ways. Either via the email body button, which we can then go and write free text value, which will be presented then in the email body. Alternatively, we could select a fixed report to appear in the email body as text. So if we wanted to, we could have the standard work order individual details report included in the email body. Then it becomes a matter of how is this alert triggered. Today, we're going to be creating an alert which is based around every time a new work order is generated. Other options available to you are when any field is changed on a work order, anytime a specific field has been changed, or anytime a specific field is changed to a specific value. Then to wrap up the alert trigger, we also can apply a search result. So therefore, the alert will only trigger if this work order that's applied to this alert is a part of a particular search result. Today, we are looking at a new record, so I'm going to select New Record. When the alert is triggered, we then get to specify who the alert is then emailed to. This can be done of one of three ways. Either based on a search result based on our people area, we could manually select our people, or alternatively, we can specify a person based around an attribute of the work order, the asset person code, the person who's associated to the caller on the work order, or the engineer associated to that work order. Today, we're going to be alerting the engineer who was associated to that work order. Now with that specified, we can specify what attachments will be attached to the email when it is sent. We can choose a fixed report and or a custom report and or a export definition. Today, we'll select the assets by work order by work order fixed report. With all these details now set, we can press OK to save our alert. With the alert now saved, this alert is now active in the system. The alert will be triggered now every time a new work order is generated, and the email will be sent to the specified engineer.